Welcome to B30. If you're between 20 and 50, you need to hear this. These are the lies I told myself for 20 years. And trust me, they held me back. So don't make the same mistakes I did. Let's break down the top 20 lies that you might be telling yourself right now and how you can shift your mindset to get ahead. Number 20, I'll start tomorrow. Procrastination is like cancer for progress. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Start now, even if it's imperfect, and adjust as you go. You'll thank yourself later. Number 19, I don't have what it takes. Courage always comes before confidence. If you think you don't have what it takes, act courageously anyway. The confidence will follow as you step out of your comfort zone. Number 18, no is the final answer. Rejection isn't the end, it's a redirection. Every no is just bringing you closer to the yes. Keep pushing, and eventually, you'll find the right path. Number 17, I should be further along by now. Comparison is the thief of joy. You're on your own unique journey, so stop comparing yourself to others. Embrace where you are right now and keep moving forward. Number 16, I need a drink. Numbing the pain doesn't solve anything. Stress builds strength when you face it head on. Find healthier ways to cope and grow stronger through the challenges. Number 15, there's only one right way. Success has many paths. Innovation thrives when you embrace diverse approaches. There's no one-size-fits-all, so explore different ways to get where you want to go. Number 14, there's something wrong with me. Your quirks and differences are your strengths in disguise. Embrace them. There's nothing wrong with you. In fact, your uniqueness is your superpower. Number 13, I need to be perfect to succeed. Perfection equals paralysis. If you're waiting to be perfect, you'll never get started. Aim for progress, not perfection, and you'll get a lot further. Number 12, I'll be happy when I achieve this goal. Happiness isn't a destination, it's something you find in the process. Find joy in the journey, not just the outcome. Number 11, I'm not smart enough to lead. Leadership has nothing to do with IQ. It's about vision, inspiration, and courage. You don't have to know everything, you just need to lead with purpose. Number 10, I have to do everything myself. Delegation is a sign of strength, not weakness. Trust your team to help you succeed. You don't need to carry all the weight alone. Number 9, my worth is tied to my job title. Your job title doesn't define you. You're worth far more than a business card. Define your worth on your own terms. Number 8, work comes before everything else. Balance is the foundation of long-term success. If you don't take care of yourself, everything else will fall apart. Prioritize your well-being, and your work will improve too. Number 7, failure is not an option. Failure is necessary. It's part of growth. Failure teaches you invaluable lessons that success never will. Number 6, asking for help is a sign of weakness. Seeking help is a strength. It opens doors and builds trust. No one succeeds alone. Asking for help accelerates your growth. Number 5, I'm too old to learn new skills. Learning is a lifelong journey. No matter how old you are, you can always learn something new and stay relevant. It's never too late. Number 4, I don't have time for my passions. Your passions fuel creativity and innovation. Make time for them. They aren't just hobbies. They're essential to your success. Number 3, I need to have all the answers. Nobody has all the answers. It's okay to admit you don't know something. Keep learning or find the right people to guide you. Number 2, I don't deserve a seat at the table. You've earned your place. Don't doubt your contributions. You belong at the table and your ideas have value. Number 1, it's too late to change my path. It's never too late to change course. You have all your life to pursue your dreams. Don't let age or time limit you from living the life you want. Breaking free from these lies has transformed my life and career. If you're still holding on to any of these limiting beliefs, it's time to let go and move forward. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to improve their learning skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.